2026 Chevrolet Colorado. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start. This is a top-rated dealer. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us